Why you have to stage your home in the 2023 market. I'm going to explain this by sharing a listing I sold this last month. This home was super cute, little older home with no updates or upgrades since the 1970s, and it needed some deferred maintenance repairs completed. The neighborhood the home was located in was not the best neighborhood in the greater Sacramento area, but there were also 4 other homes listed in that neighborhood that had just been sitting on the market and not selling at all. So now these homes also had updated kitchens and did not need a ton of repairs, but they were sitting on the market with the seller's furniture, personal photos, and belongings literally everywhere. Now, because I knew this, I had to get strategic with this listing in order to make this home more appealing to buyers to compete with the current homes in the neighborhood. I advised my client to remove all the furniture in the home, and once that was done, we put a fresh coat of white paint on the interior, deep cleaned the inside, and installed full staging. This home had a full price offer within 2 days after listing and was in contract 10 days after listing. Whereas the other 4 homes still sat on the market even to this day. This was a month ago. This home was not the best home on the block by far, but it presented and showed the absolute best. It was worth it to invest on the home on the front end to get more money on the back end for your home. Gone are the days of putting up a sign today and sold tomorrow. So make sure you are hiring a realtor who understands the importance of staging and your individual situation.